It's a totally different space to the one I had in Stroud Museum, which was more of a very open gallery, and this one is more compartmentised. But it's quite interesting in that it accommodates all the groups of the various groups and themes, and compartmentizes them in a quite a nice way, I think. And then you get the surprise element where you go from one compartment to another.
Right.
It's quite an interesting space.
Curatorially, the gallery, I think, needs to spread a wider net. I'm looking now at photography, typography, graphic art that's to do with print, and try to express and broaden the church that is gallery art in what is essentially a tourist town. But we do have Turner to contend with. In March next year, Mike and I are putting on a show here in Pamela's gallery at the Viking, and we're very much looking forward to bringing a number of talents along to join us. There will be a watercolourist, probably two watercolourists, someone who works in glass, and a sculptor. And I think the balance, as Mike will probably confirm,
will be all painters, I should think. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a diverse mix of different works, and hopefully someone who works in threads, so a thread painter.